Hi guys, Chris back from Dr. Boom Fireworks. We are getting ready for our Labor Day $200 fireworks show. I pulled a few of my favorite budget fireworks that we are going to light off on this show. We're going to use our homemade Roman candle rack. We're going to shoot off a few artillery shells, and for those I'm going to use one of our homemade recycled racks using the fiberglass tubes we have kept from other shows. Just mounted those to a board. I have the sawhorses out. We are going to throw a piece of wood up there so we can mount all of the cakes to it. We're going to glue them and fuse them all together. We will not be using any of the larger artillery shells for the show, just for budget. Like I said, this is a $200 budget show. Should be right around 6 minutes. Looking forward to it. Stay tuned. I'll show you how we wire up. And of course, at the end, we're gonna shoot them off. Here's the layout of the 200-gram cakes. They are not glued or taped to the board yet. I'm just kind of getting a quick layout. We're gonna start here in the corner, fuse this way, come back around. And then once we get to the end, we're going to switch up fusing to fast fuse for these last three. We're gonna start off with the pulse pounder, immediately hit the super fireworks color burst, and then come into the killer cakes. This whole grand finale should be roughly about 40 seconds. The pulse pounders really add a lot of fun to the show. Most of these cakes, actually the whole entire show, was purchased from American Wholesale Fireworks, with the exception of the fusing. The fusing I have from Phantom Fireworks. We're gonna be lighting most of them off with 24 to 27 seconds per foot, and then the grand finale we're gonna speed up and do 2 to 3 seconds per foot. Before I mount the fireworks to the board, I do want to show you I moved some of the cakes around in different positions, and the reason why is of their effect. Some of them are fanned and I want them to go off at different times during the show. As you can see, the T-Sky Exploder states that you need to place the arrow towards the spectators. Also on the heavyweight fireworks, Electric Eruption shows that it is fanned and shows you how to mount that one as well. The rest are all vertical, so they're all going to be shooting straight up. I just wanted to have a little bit different effect. I'm pulling everything out of the packaging. I want to point out the awesome artwork here on these ball artillery shells I picked up from Miracle. I have not shot these off before. I'm pretty excited to see them. They're supposed to have comets and mines. Effects are listed on the side of the box. Only downfall I see with the kit is just like every other standard ball artillery shell. It is a cardboard tube. I only like to use these a few times, so we'll not be using them in the show. But to be honest, I cannot wait to see these things go off. Next step was to remove the paper from the top of all the cakes, just so there's easier cleanup after the show. And I also removed the paper from the bottom of the cakes, where I will be applying glue underneath all these and applying them directly to the board. I will also be taping them while that is drying, just for an added safety measure. We have everything fused up for our $200 fireworks show. All right, let's go see how they perform. All right, we're gonna fire our $200 budget show.
the parking lot with nobody knowing. Just right out front.
And that was the $200 budget show that we've been talking about. I hope you enjoyed it. At the end of this video, make sure you stay tuned. We do have the online shopping cart from American Wholesale Fireworks where these items were purchased. Total purchase price came to $197. We used a total of 14 pieces, 12 of which were 200-gram cakes, 1 box of artillery shells, and 1 package of Roman candles. Fun fact, there was a total of 305 breaks in this show. If you love fireworks, we are planning on doing future giveaways and, of course, more demos and budget displays for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you come back and watch another one. It also will help us grow this channel so we can do everything you guys are looking for. I do read my comments. If you have an idea for a show or a budget you guys want to see shown off, or even a demo of a certain product, leave it below. I will do my best to make that happen for you. Thanks for watching.